Hello, welcome. My name is El Diego Invest. In this tutorial, we are diving deep into TradingView, the ultimate platform for traders and investors. Whether you're a seasoned pro or you're just getting started, this tutorial will help you navigate and leverage all the powerful features TradingView has to offer. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more content like this. Let's get started. First thing first, let's talk about what TradingView is all about. TradingView is a web-based platform that provides advanced charting tools, social networking features, and a wide range of financial instruments for trading. Let's say you're a soccer player, you need a soccer field to practice your tactics. And if you're a musician, you need your gear and a designated place for you to practice so you can get better. That's what TradingView is all about. It's a charting platform for traders and investors to do their market analysis. To get started, head over to tradingview.com and sign up for a free account. And once you're in, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface just like this. And keep in mind that with the free version, you are limited to some of the features of the platform. And don't worry, you can always upgrade later on. These are the paid version. This one is $12.95 a month, or you can pay $155 a year. The one with the check mark, this is what available with this plan, and the one with the X mark, these options are not available with this plan. $24.95 is the plus plan. This is what available with this plan. And this one is the premium version. It's $49.95 a month, or you can pay $5.99 a year. Go through them and see which one fits you best. And once you're ready to upgrade, click on the link in the description for a discount. All right. At the top, we have products, community, market, news, brokers, more. What I'm going to show you here, when you go to download, they have a desktop and a mobile app available for you. Once you click on the desktop app, they have these options available for Windows, for Macs, for Linux. This is what the desktop app looks like. Okay. And for the mobile app, you can scan the QR code to download the app, or you can go to the Google Play Store or the App Store to download it. All right. When you are on this page, it's a lot you can do. Okay. You can always come here and do your research. And at the top, this is the TradingView icon. And let's say you click on something, you want to go back, you can always click on the TradingView icon to come back. And this is the search engine. You can, type any ticker symbol. It will take you to the chart and products. When you click on products, super charts, screeners, you can access the economic calendar. Community, as you can see, it's a community of traders, streamers, and you can always come here too to educate yourself. They have trade ideas. When you click on markets, you have an overview of the market. Countries, you can click on any countries to see what's going on in the stock market of that country. Okay, we have stocks, ETF, crypto, forex, news, brokers, and more. So right there, This is a summary of the market. We have indices, stocks, ETF, crypto, forex, futures, bonds. So when you click on this icon of the S&P 500, for example, you get a visual representation of the S&P chart. Same for the Nasdaq, the Dow, okay? And at the bottom, this is a 1-day chart. At the bottom, you can change it to 1 month, 1 month chart, 3 months, 1 year, 5 years, okay? And then if you don't like the way the chart looks, you can always change it to candlesticks. Come here at the bottom and change it to candlesticks. And when you scroll down, it's a lot going on here. It's a lot of traders sharing their charts, their ideas with you. You can always come here and do your experimentation. They have streams and more. Okay. All right. Right there you have stock gainers, highest volume stocks, unusual volume stocks. All right. Now let's go to the chart. Let's pick a symbol, SBUX, which is Starbucks. SBUX. Okay, now as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 charts. Okay, so now we have a chart of Starbucks. Okay, this is a daily chart of Starbucks. All right, so now let's head over to the desktop app. I like to use the desktop app. I'm going to show you how you can put all of these icons to use, okay? And what they mean, what you can do with them. All right.